Atlanta lawyer Jim Yeargan explained his role as a DUI attorney in keeping clients from being convicted. Jim Yeargan, an Atlanta DUI lawyer and attorney at Yeargan Kert, LLC, interviews on Expert Profiles Atlanta discussing how he can help people charged with a DUI. In an interview conducted by Neil Howe, host of Expert Profiles Atlanta on the Business Innovators Radio Network, Jim Yeargan discusses how he and his associates strive to keep clients from having a DUI conviction on their record. Mr. Yeargan says in the interview that his job is important, and it is a job he enjoys. Discussing his clients, he says, these are professionals like lawyers, doctors, pilots, or accountants, people who cannot just plead guilty and move on with their lives. Mr. Yeargan discusses how the people he represents must fight their charges, and win often in order to retain their jobs. Other clients must fight a DUI charge to protect their parental rights. Parents in divorce or custody battles fear DUI conviction could wreck their lives, Mr. Yeargan adds. Opposing counsel in a custody case can turn a DUI conviction into doubts that a parent should maintain custody or joint custody if that information reaches the courts. Issues like this make the job of DUI lawyers very important. Mr. Yeargan has suggestions for clients to follow when they are pulled over for suspicion of a DUI. Always be polite to the officer. Say, yes sir or yes ma'am and no sir or no ma'am. Politely refuse to take a field sobriety test. Don't agree to participate in a breath test, a blood test, or a chemical test. Don't admit to taking any medicine. Officers can claim that medicine, mixed with alcohol or not, has impaired your driving ability and safety on the road. Give brief answers to questions. Mr. Yeargan adds that although following these steps will not prevent you from being taken into custody, following this advice does give a prosecutor less evidence to work with in court. This gives a good DUI attorney more tools to help prevent a DUI conviction. Mr. Yeargan says there is a good reason to hire a skilled DUI litigator like himself and those he practices with at Yeargan Kert, LLC. Although any attorney can defend a DUI case, it takes a skilled litigator and someone who understands these cases to successfully keep their clients from becoming convicted in court. With 3 years' experience as a DUI prosecutor in Atlanta, Mr. Yeargan has the necessary background and experience to prevent DUI convictions for his clients. In the past, he has also helped teach other prosecutors and members of police academies about how to successfully prosecute DUI cases. That experience now gives him the background and experience necessary to successfully defend his clients. Yeargan Kert, LLC had the experience and knowledge to successfully defend your DUI case. If you have questions or need a vigorous defense in a DUI case, please contact us at Yeargan Kert, LLC, 1170 Peachtree Street, Suite 1200, Atlanta, Georgia 30309, or call now 404-467-1747.